Hello rail fans, welcome to another Minecraft train tutorial. Today we're going to be building this TTX Railbox boxcar. I'm just going to build it on the end of the train we already have. So the first step is to take dark oak stairs to make our coupler. So we're going to put it the opposite direction from the coupler coming off the last car of the train, and underneath that, dark oak fence gates so you have an air hose. Now skip a block and place whatever block you're using for your wheel. I'm using netherite. Get a wheel on each rail and then erase the blocks in the middle and put in an end rod to be your axle. Then we're going to take out blackstone stairs and put them upside down in a T-shaped pattern and bring them all the way across the rails. You can play around with the block and stair colors for newer or older looking trucks. Then we do the same thing, 2 blocks of netherites with an end rod for the next set of wheels. Then everywhere there's a wheel, we put a hopper on both sides. And then everywhere that there is stairs, we put dark oak fence to be the springs, again on both sides. Now we take out yellow concrete and put one in the middle on that coupler there. Then we come over to the edge and erase the one in the middle. Then this needs to be 9 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it should look something like that. On top of this end one, place another block. This will mark where our door is. Then we're going to extend it out another 8 blocks and put a block on the end to mark the other side of our door. Now we continue on another 9 blocks from this end. Now we need to build our other truck, so we come in 1 block from the end of this yellow and place a block so we can place our wheels. So once again, netherite for the wheels with an end rod in the middle. Then we switch back to blackstone stairs and upside down stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern and bring that all the way across the rails. So it should be 3 blocks wide. And then another set of wheels, so netherite on each side and an end rod in the middle. And then, just like the other truck, we put fences where there's stairs on the outside and then hoppers on the wheels. Same thing on both sides. So we come back over, hoppers on the wheels, and then fences where the stairs are. So now we have all our trucks done. Now we go ahead and switch back to yellow concrete, and above the wheels, we're going to bring it across. And on this block sticking out, we need one sticking out on each side and in the middle. And then same thing on this other side here. And we kind of already have that started. I made a couple mistakes here and my Minecraft was lagging. But we need blocks sticking out in the middle and on the ends, and then go ahead and fill in the next block. And now we're going to drag this all the way to the other end of the car. Now we come on this side and line up where our door markers are and put a block there, just so we know where the door is on that side. And then we're going to go ahead and fill in this whole middle here with yellow concrete. This will be the bottom of the car. And just keep filling everything in until this whole level's filled in. Then we come to the end of the car, 1 block in, and make a column that's 5 blocks tall. Now on the very ends, on the outside ones, put another block. So these outside ones should be 2 blocks tall. And then we come on down to the other side and do the same thing. So 1 block in, we make a 5 block column. And then on the very ends on the outside too, we make them 2 blocks tall. Now we're going to come in with oak wood stairs, and we're going to place them upside down in those 2 gaps and upside down all the way across above it. And then we stack 3 more on this pole here, and we bring those upside down all the way across. This will make the 3D look of the end of our boxcar. We're using oak wood because we don't have yellow stairs. Now we're going to move down and do that exact same thing on the other end. So down there in those two gaps, upside down oak wood stairs, and then a row across above it, and then 3 more going up along the edge of this pole, and then drag those all the way across to get the end of this boxcar. Now for this top row, we're going to bring out smooth quartz stairs upside down in a row all the way across, because the ends of these cars have white on the top. And we're going to do that same thing on the other side. So we come down here in 5 smooth quartz stairs upside down in a row across. Once we have that, we're going to go ahead and build the coupler on this end. So a stair facing this way up on that yellow brick, erase the ones you used to place it, and underneath that, a dark oak fence gate is the air hose. You also want to bring it in on that first yellow block so it looks like it's going under the car. And we didn't do that over on the other end, so we're going to place one on that middle yellow block here. Now we're going to switch back to yellow concrete and frame everything in. So from these middle posts where our door is and over from the top, we're just going to frame it in. I'm not filling it all in right now because we have a lot of logos to build. And we're going to do that on all 4 sides. So go ahead and bring it up, and then over, and then up so it meets. And then we're going to come over and do the exact same thing on the other end. So bring this one up, bring the top over, and then bring this one up, and then another post of 5 right here, and then bring that top over. So now we have the basic shape of our boxcar framed in, and you should have something that looks like that. Now we're going to take out polished black stone stairs and stack them right side up, going opposite direction to where the yellow is. Then we're going to switch over to the other end and do the same thing. So right side up with their backs up against the yellow. Now we're going to place some facing the outside of the car. So from each edge, come 2 blocks in and just stack them all the way up. This way the stairs wrap around a corner and give the boxcar door a 3D look. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side and place them facing towards the outside of the car and right side up, leaving the middle block empty. Now in that middle we're going to place just polished black stone block. This will give the center of the door a 3D look, and I forgot that row, so I'm filling it in with the stairs. Come on the other side and fill that in with polished black stone block. And now the boxcar doors are done on both sides. Now on the left hand side of the car, take out yellow concrete, and coming from the left hand edge, fill that vertically in with yellow concrete, and then 1 row on the bottom across with yellow concrete. Now we're going to make our logo, so we put a red stone block in the bottom left, followed by lapis lazuli, then yellow concrete, then lapis lazuli, and then another red stone block. Lapis lazuli in the middle on the next level. Next to that, redstone on each side, and then yellow on the outside edges. And then on the top, redstone in the corner on each side, then lapis lazuli with a yellow block in the middle. Then we can fill in this column, and our logo for this side is completed. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side of the car. So same thing, we go to the left-hand quadrant of the car, we make a column on the left, and a row going across the bottom. Then we take out our redstone, put a redstone, lapis lazuli, yellow concrete, lapis lazuli, redstone. Then lapis lazuli in the middle, surrounded by redstone with yellow on the outside, redstone on the outside for this level, lapis lazuli, and yellow in the middle. And now the logo's completed on that side. Now we got to fill in the other side of the car. So we go back and take out our polished black stone block again, and we come in on the right hand side, make a column coming up all the way of yellow, and then we put 1 down in the corner and 4 across on the top of black stone polished block. Fill everything else in with yellow. This represents the lettering on the car. Now we're starting to look like something here, but we still got to fix the other side, so we're going to come around the car to that right hand empty quadrant and do the same thing. On the right hand side, a column of yellow concrete, then a polished black stone block in the bottom corner, and the top corner has a row of 4 polished black stone blocks, and we fill everything else in with the yellow concrete. Now that both sides are done, we're going to come in on the top and just fill everything in with yellow concrete, or whatever block you want to use. This is all going to get covered up anyway. So fill everything in and just drag that yellow concrete all the way to the other end of the car, so everything on top's filled in. Once we've brought that to the other end of the car, we're going to take out a smooth quartz slab and we're going to make a row on the top coming end to end in the very middle. So just slabs all the way down the middle. Once we have that, everywhere else on the roof we're going to put white carpet. A lot of these box cars have white roofs. Some have silver, some have rusty roofs, but the newer ones I see usually have white roofs. And we're going to go ahead and place that carpet right on top of these stairs to fill in the gap made by the top of the door. And we're going to do that on both sides and bring the white carpet everywhere down to the other end of the car. So just keep bringing your carpet down until the whole roof is covered. Now that that's done, we're almost done and just got to do some detailing. So we're going to come down here on the corner and we're going to place a ladder on each end of the corner here, 2 high. That's why we left those as blocks and not stairs. So we have a ladder on each corner, on the inside and on the outside edge. And then same thing, a ladder here, a ladder there, a ladder there, and a ladder there. Then we're going to place a jungle trap door and close it on that second block up to be our handbrake wheel. Now we're going to take out black stone button to be lettering detail, and on this bottom edge, 2 coming in from the door, 2 coming in from the end. Same thing here, 2 by the door, 2 by the end. Now we're going to go around the car and do the exact same thing on the other side. So 2 buttons by the end, 2 buttons by the door, and same thing, 2 buttons by the door, and 2 buttons by the end. And there you have it, folks. We've completed our Railbox boxcar. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.